Is that how I should do it? Should I go like this?
Yeah, I was like, well, I'm about to be.
Some training going on here. Here's what looks like a Carrera. I got some lovely coffee from these lovely ladies over here. Observation deck. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day in Los Angeles, and today I am visiting the renowned Porsche Experience Center here in Los Angeles, located in the Carson area of LA. We're gonna take a look inside and see what's going on over there. It's my first time here. There won't be a driving experience for me, but apparently they have a lot of awesome vehicles on display. So I'll take you guys along and we'll see what we can find. They do have a large parking area over here. They also have brand new Porsches here on display. Right in front of me here, you have a brand new Spider RS. Check out the craftsmanship on these cars, you guys. 911s, these Carreras, I'm not sure. Let's take a little closer look here. This looks like it's a turbo. It's a 911 turbo, guys, brand new. And then they have an electric, looks like Cayenne over here. So they do have a few vehicles out here on display. Before you walk in, you can take a look at. So let's dive into this place and see what we can find inside. Here's another beauty here on display. This is the electric. I like this color. Shows up really, really well.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, good. I'm here just to take a look.
Okay, can I have you do the visitor log for me?
Sure, sure. How do we do that?
Number 2.
Let's see here. Let's see if this opened up. Let's see, visitor here. All right, you guys. So this is the entry. Kind of come in here. You got a little seating area here out in front. This is the front desk. You have to check in. They take your name, and let's start with this here. Look at this beauty, you guys. Pretty cool. There's another one. It's another Porsche here. I'm not familiar with all the models, you guys, so maybe you out there might know. These are definitely classics, going from the old to the new. I like this canoe on the top. It shows the utility value of this particular one. These are all locked up. But check out the old school steering, analog displays in there. Nice, very nice. This is the main lobby. Look at this here. The Hoonigan Porsche, Colorado Springs. That's pretty cool. You guys probably heard of the Hoonigan Porsche. Check out the wheels on it. Doesn't have the typical lugs because it's racing. It has the center lug here. Set up for racing, and it looks like drifting as well. One of their drifting cars. This over here looks like is where they service all the vehicles that they use for the experience. So you can come here and either take a demo ride for a fee, and you guys can check their website, or you can actually do a driving experiences, and they have different levels of driving experiences based on the car you choose. And this is where they maintain the vehicles. So you can see how well Porsche keeps their shop, how clean, sterile, organized. I mean, this is the epitome of craftsmanship and precision. Definitely looks very feng shui in there, so. This is a 912 here. Very cool looking here. It's number 11. That's one thing they don't have is the display or the explanation of which, what year and what model the vehicle is. I noticed, so I guess a lot of people that do visit here are enthusiasts, much more than I am, perhaps, and they know already just by looking at it. I don't see, I mean, it says Porsche, of course, obviously it's Porsche. It does say Carrera on the window. It doesn't tell you the year or the model or a little history of each vehicle. Super cool. Nice digital display here. Here's another one here. This is a beauty here, this one. Okay. All right, as you can see, this is the main lobby here as you enter from the parking lot. Observe everything
You're
here.
more than welcome to go out here in the patio to the right for observation areas, and we also have a balcony in the second floor next to the 917 restaurant.
Awesome, you guys, you hear
That's
that?
you.
So come and take a look. He's super friendly. He's not going to hurt you or tackle you. So you're okay with that. And this right here is like the gift shop.
It's the retail store, and then we have a Speedster Cafe straight ahead if you like a drink or some food.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. Thank you.
All right, enjoy it.
All right, this is the gift shop, you guys. We got all sorts of Porsche stuff here. If you guys want caps, shirts, as you can see here, pretty cool little shop here. Jackets, definitely something you can leave with here if you like it. You got this jacket right here, ahead of your road trip. Cool little pieces of luggage up there, Porsche luggage. And this is their snack shop here, coffee shop. We're gonna go down this way. There's another hallway here. Okay, so we got the driving experience. Got some cool stuff here on the wall. Okay, these are the tracks. This is the Laguna Seca track, Long Beach Grand Prix track, Le Mans, Watkins, Glen. This looks like this LA track here, Road Atlanta, Circuit of America, Sebring, and Daytona. You got signs here directing you, cafe, retail, or restrooms. Okay, this is the Porsche experience here. This is the actual rendition of the track. An aerial view. So you can catch the stairwell upstairs, or those that need an elevator, you have an elevator here. All right, let's go to the upper deck and take a look outside. Number 2. Very cool. Hello. All right, so I'm on the second floor. There's a viewing area over here? Yes, sir. This way? Thank you. And this is, so downstairs was a snack shop, and this is actually the actual restaurant over here. All right, you guys, this is the viewing deck here. Take a look at that track. Look at all the cars here. So every day this is practically open. I believe it's 7 days a week, but you guys can look it up. Porsche, if you guys are in the LA area, it's the Porsche Experience. They will have one in Birmingham as well as Atlanta. Of course, the world famous LA traffic, the 405 is out there. And then these are all the cars, you guys. So this is the second floor, and it's the observation deck. Got some benches you can sit down here. I like that 911, that Carrera up here. That's a pretty nice one here. If I was to do the experience, it'd be one of these right here. GT3, I believe it's called, GTR, or one of the 911 Carreras here. You can also do a driving experience with one of the electric Taycan and a couple other models that they do have now. You guys can see the electric stations. This is their wine collection here. Check it out here. It gets pretty fancy here. So I mentioned this is the restaurant on the second level. Then you have your outside deck. You can observe. Pretty cool. Oh, good. Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. What are they? They're for the...
They're just bottles that we have. You could go ahead and buy one if you like. That's our selection right here.
Oh, okay.
And we have more.
Right here. So they're specially... This,
They're kind of special display.
this for the Porsche Experience here? Okay. Nice. All right, you heard that. So they're for the guests of the Porsche Experience. And yeah, I took the elevator up. So I'm landing right here where I started. And this is what she gave me here. Pretty cool. So I'll take a look at this. And we'll take a walk down this way, you guys. We've got restrooms down here. This area here. This is first floor. Again, when you do the experience, you have to go through a short orientation, and then they take you on a ride of the car of your choice with a professional instructor. It's called the Panamera room here, the boxer room. So these different rooms here are where the orientations take place. They came in, room. And of course, this was the Carrera room. You can see that it's a little bit larger. It's a more popular vehicle. And this is called Porsche Exclusive Studio. I guess it's part of the VIP club they have here. Is that how I should do it? Should I go like this?
Yeah, I was like, well, I'm glad somebody got that.
Does it work well?
Yeah.
I'll do it, okay. All right, I got some lovely coffee from these lovely ladies over here. A little snack shop here. I'm gonna go outside and see what's going on here. All right, so this area here on the first level, you're okay as a guest. So guests have certain access, and then of course those that are paying for an experience or a demo ride, they get additional access. They get a nice view of the track area and where they park. I showed you before when nothing was going on, and we got some training going on here on slippery surfaces. That red one there, and you got two out there. Spinning around this track here. Here's one, looks like a Carrera. Place to get some training. You want to learn how to drift, how to control your vehicle, different conditions. All right, we'll see you next time. Take care. All right, you guys, here's a good time to open up this little miniature postcard right over that aerial view over here of the Porsche Experience Center. Let's check it out. Okay, that's the front. You open it up. So it's a postcard slash brochure. They give you information on the facility. Actually, they named all the different places, locations, like the restaurant, gift shop, after the Porsche names as well. And look what it opens up to. This is pretty cool. It says it's a 52-acre sports car playground. So it's 52 acres, you guys. Those of you that wanted to know the size of the facility. 52 acres. Restaurant here is called 917 Speedster Cafe, which is the cafe over here I got the coffee from. And upstairs was that restaurant, which is the 917. Pretty cool. All right, you guys, so this concludes my tour of the Porsche Experience here in Los Angeles, in the Carson area. Hope you guys enjoyed the walkthrough. Definitely highly recommend it to anybody, whether you're a Porsche enthusiast or a car enthusiast or just want to know. It's fun. It's a great place to hang out and get a little Porsche history as well and see a lot of these cool cars go around the track. Till the next video, we'll see you soon. Take care.